Today, I'm going to show you how Prim's algorithm runs on a connected weighted graph. Look at this graph. Start from node A, so mark A as visited. From A, there are 3 edges going out, with costs 3, 8, and 4. Prim's algorithm is greedy, so always pick the smallest cost edge. So I pick the edge with cost 3, which goes to B. Mark B as visited. Blue nodes, which are visited nodes, are the start of the minimum spanning tree. Now, look at all edges from visited nodes. So from A and B, pick the smallest edge. The smallest edge is cost 4, from A to G, so I pick that. Mark G as visited. Next, look at all edges from A, B, and G to unvisited nodes. The smallest is G to F. Pick that. Mark F as visited. Notice after picking G to F, some edges become unavailable because they're now connected to visited nodes. Always pick the edge connecting a visited node to an unvisited node. Keep going like this, always choosing the smallest edge connecting to an unvisited node. Now all nodes are connected, so we're done. This is the minimum spanning tree for this graph, and that's how Prim's algorithm works. Thank you for watching.